Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your account credentials and billing source so there are no surprises. Open Spotify in the browser if possible. The browser flow gives full cancellation controls. Once logged in, go to your profile menu and select Account. Make sure to check the subscription section immediately so you see whether Spotify or a third party is listed as the payer. If a third party is listed, pause here and switch to that billing provider for the next steps. Now you navigate to the subscription area and look for Manage or Change Plan. This is the control center. Click Cancel Premium or similar. Spotify often requires you to confirm twice. Once done, follow the on-screen prompts that explain your remaining access period and downgrade timing. If your billing was through Apple or Google, go to your device settings, find subscriptions under your account, select Spotify, and choose Cancel Subscription there. This ensures billing. Finish by confirming cancellation. Check your inbox for Spotify's confirmation and revisit the subscription page to see the downgrade date. Make sure you understand access until the end of your paid period so you don't lose playlists unexpectedly. If you still see charges after the cycle, gather receipts and billing statements, then contact the payment provider first. They often reverse mistaken renewals. If that fails, escalate to Spotify support with Transaction ID. This usually resolves lingering auto-renewal issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.